Welcome back to my channel. This is Fabricating Fringe, as most of you guys know, and my name's Amber. Today I'm sharing with you this absolutely beautiful red beauty, and I'm sharing this for the Wig Company. This is one of the Wig Company's exclusive styles. This is one of their statement styles. And you can only find this at the Wig Company, and I am so impressed with not only the price of these exclusive styles to the Wig Company, but the fibers, the styles, the quality, all of that. So I just love sharing these wigs because it definitely gives people the option of gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful, budget-friendly wigs, and they look amazing. I really, really like this style, and this color is so dynamic. So anyway, without further ado, this really pretty long layered wig is called New Beautiful Choice, and this is Statements exclusively at the Wig Company. New Beautiful Choice, and the color is K337H. This is crimson. Look at that color. Holy moly macaroni. Mackerel. It's this very deep, gorgeous red. You have some coppery, almost like coppery tones in there, and then that really deep ruby-ish color. Oh, it's so gorgeous. What do you guys think of crimson? I'm smitten with crimson. Oh, it's so pretty. Very, very deep, luscious red. Now, what do you guys think about New Beautiful Choice? This is very layered. This is a long style, and these fibers feel really good. One thing I noticed about these fibers and these wigs exclusive at the Wig Company is they look really nice. They're not too shiny, they're not dull. They just look really, really great right out of the box. I'm obsessed with the length. It's very flattering, very feminine. The layers make it very fun, flowy, lots of movement with this style. What blows me away the most, and I've already talked about this, is the price point. You guys have to go over there and check out the prices of these wigs that are exclusive because they're just amazing. This is an average size wig. I wear an average size cap. It's very, very comfortable. It fits my head really, really well. The ear tabs go clear down to the hairline, nice and secure, very cozy. So if you wear average, it's going to fit you like a glove. Feels great. The front of Beautiful Choice is 4 1/4 inches. The top is 12 inches. The top is 4 1/2 inches. The sides are 12 inches. Your back of Beautiful Choice is 13 inches. And the nape on this pretty wig is 16 inches long. So you can tell this is very, very layered. You have, a lot shorter layers up here, and they gradually reach down clear to 16 inches. You have this really cute side swept bang. Very flattering, really cute. If you felt like you wanted the bang to be more front facing, more blunt, you could definitely trim it. I like the side swept look. And then the bang blends into those shorter layers, which kind of graduate into the longer layers. Very fun style. Okay, let's do a full turnaround of this gorgeous wig, and then we will take her off. What do you guys think? She's so pretty. The color is giving me life. So between the length and the layers and this beautiful crimson color, oh, just loving it. What do you guys think? This would be really fun in pigtails. You could do braids. So lots of movement, lots of fun with these layers. So fun. Be really cute in a clip. Oh, love it. I keep saying that. Okay, let's take her off and show you guys the inside. So it looks like Beautiful Choice has changed. They had it available before, and it has a new improved cap construction. So this one is the new improved cap construction. And let me tell you what it is. This wig features hand-tied sides and hand-tied right up at the front. And then it has a monofilament part. That left monofilament part allows for the appearance of natural hair growth where that parting is. They have very comfortable velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire and a velvet extended nape with your adjusters. The remaining area of this cap is open wefted. That allows the wig to be very cool, ventilated, nice and breathable. This area right here on the crown of the wig does contain a little bit of permatease, so FYI. This just allows this pretty wig to have some volume and just beautiful oomph right up there in the crown. The permatease looks really good, and I wouldn't even know it was there if I wasn't digging. So that is located around that monofilament part where you see the lace section right here. Okay, let's put her back on. All right, you guys, what do you think about new Beautiful Choice by Statements, exclusive at the Wig Company? Like I said a million times, I am smitten with this crimson color, also known as K337H. And like I said, can't find this anywhere else except for the Wig Company. That's twcwigs.com. And I will have all their links down below, all the links to their social media platforms. And you guys, you can comment below if you have any questions, reach out to me on Instagram or email, and yeah, let me know what you think about this color, this length, the layers, and everything else. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts on this beautiful wig. I think she's gorgeous. Okay, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.